Alright, so the very first step here is going to be loosening up your bead so that you can get the string out of it. Now, in order to do this, please be very, very careful so you don't hurt your fingers. I suggest holding it down against a hard surface with a pin, and then you're going to squeeze gently to make sure it's opened. Now you should be able to loosely move around the wire. You're going to leave that bead in there. And now you're going to take the end of that wire and stick it through the loop at the very top. And then you're going to pull it out from the bottom gently. And you're going to stick it inside of the other side of that black bead. Once this is done, you've officially completed that side. I don't suggest tightening it up until you complete the next side, and you're going to be tightening it with the plier. So here we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to gently open it with the plier. We're going to take the end of that string, put it in through the loop again from the top. Now, these loops are a little tiny, so I suggest using that pin to help you open it up so that the wire can go in there smoothly. Now, once the wire is in, as you can see, we're going to gently pull again from the bottom, and we're going to be putting that string back into the other side of the bead next to the wire, and you're going to pull. Now, this part is very important. Before we secure those beads and tighten them with the plier, you're going to want to measure your halo on your head. I suggest doing it 2 to 3 times to see where that perfect measurement is going to be. Once you found the perfect fitting, you can now tighten your bead. Don't do it all the way. You want to do it with just a little bit of pressure where you still have a little bit of resistance in case you need to readjust it. If you find that it's perfect, I suggest making it as tight as you need to. So once again, just please be very careful with your fingers and your hands. Take it slowly. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope you found this video very helpful.